Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can search for communities in the AirAsia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the chat button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the communities button at the top of the page. And click on the see more button at the top of the page on the right. And as you can see, here are all the communities that you can join. So whether you're interested in fitness and wellness or food adventures, you can just click on the join button, and then you have to give a nickname, and if you have that, just click on the save button, and here you are. So now you can chat with the members of the community. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.